4 practical tips for figuring out your life's purpose. Take a moment to check in on your life satisfaction. You might have a great career, a successful business, and a loving, supportive network of family and friends, but if you don't know your life's purpose, you still feel there's something not quite right. Living an authentic, purposeful life has been shown to make you happier and healthier. Scientists have even found it can help you live longer. If contentment and fulfillment are eluding you, try some practical ways to find your life's purpose. 1. Home in on your passions. If you have trouble thinking of your passions, have a look at what you post on social media. What fires you up? What photos and issues do you post and comment on? What sort of articles do you email to friends? What do you discuss around the dinner table? Being more aware of what really fires your interest will help you realize what your life's purpose might be. 2. What injustices fire you up? In a similar vein, what makes your blood boil when you see it on the news or read about it? Maybe it's inequality, child poverty, or cruelty to animals. Think about the issues that bother you. Think of how you could use these emotions to make a change in the world. Volunteer at a local nonprofit, or organize a petition or letter writing campaign. Set up an online fundraiser. Turn your passion to fight injustice into action for good. 3. Volunteer to find your purpose. Studies have shown that helping others is one of the most powerful ways to increase your own happiness. It's also an excellent way to find meaning and purpose in your life. Thinking of what you can do to help your local sports club, aged care home, or nonprofit. When you donate your time, money, and skills to help others, you will not just be giving them a helping hand, you'll be helping yourself as well. 4. Ask for feedback. If you're still struggling to find a purpose that resonates with you, ask for feedback. Think about when people come to you to ask for help. What do people compliment you on? Chat to friends and family about their interests and ask them what comes to mind when they think of you. You're probably already living your life purpose and passion, but you just don't realize it.